Hey, what's up guys? So here I have a gun snake cleaner for 9mm. So I have a 9mm here, Glock 17, and I have the little rope. This rope is basically, it has a little metal in the middle so you can slide it through and it cleans and wipes at the same time. So I'm going to show you a little example. I'm not going to clean the pistol at the moment, but I will show you exactly how it works. So Glock 17, completely clear, no ammo whatsoever. Okay, so this is the rope. Brand new. I did use another one, so this is a brand new one that I just brought because I always like to test the product before doing anything. Okay, once you get it open, okay, take it apart. So you can see, first of all, it comes with a nice long string so you can get to your barrel, and you can see the brush, wire brush. So let's get the Glock 17 apart. So usually you hold back a little bit, bring these two, bring it forward, lock it, and it comes out. So we get your barrel out, take this off, very quick, take barrels. Okay, so this is the barrel itself. I do have to clean it. So you'll first slide this in. Okay, that will help you guide in the wire brush. So now you bring this in, and you can see that the brush is right there. So it will brush and clean your barrel. Take it all the way out and you're good to go. Brush and clean your barrel. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Recommend these if you're trying to clean your pistol. All you have to do is put some liquid there, some cleaner, and slide it through a couple times and you're all set. This will clean, this will wipe. Awesome rope. Recommend it.